Hey guys, Bob Trade Genius. Another quick video here tonight. And remember last night I said I think we probably saw the top. So today we got our first sell signal on a daily that we had since essentially this low right here, which was quickly bought in the basically the middle of October. So we've gone for over a month without really any sell signal whatsoever. And what's interesting here is that we got an inverted hammer, and if we look on this on a 4-hour, we had a what I would call it's a pretty nasty candle right there, and so now we're drifting down. The VIX expirations tomorrow. This is what they use to do all the heavy lifting. They use the excuse of trade. Trade's gone. You saw the Senate announcing the unanimous support for the people from Hong Kong, and the Chinese are going to be livid, and so I think trade deals off the table, and I think political nonsense, and we went negative earnings. And then if you saw Home Depot today, let me see if I can pull up Home Depot here real fast to show you guys. Home Depot, that's not good at all. Okay, so that nobody's hitting their marks here. The retailers are really starting to suck wind, and people are broke. Interest rates are too high for people with credit cards, and they just can't afford it. And I think it's just killing everybody. So, we're at a point now where, people are talking about mid-cycle adjustment. We're going to come out of this thing. We're going to keep going higher. You can only push on the string for so long. Demographics are not for growth in the U.S. So the young people are broke, and the poor people need to save, or healthcare is sucking everything out of them, or they just don't need anything anymore. And the middle-aged people, the $22,000 in healthcare costs are taking their toll too. So they sucked out all the extra spending, and the substitution, everything's going into healthcare rent, right? And so now we're going to start paying the piper. So just keep this all in mind here. This was not expected. They thought they were definitely going to hit their numbers, and let's take a look out further here to see how Home Depot was grinding. That's a pretty bad, I would say probably it's a engulfing pattern. Let's see here, high 239.31. High here was 238. And what was this one? 239. Yeah, so there's a bearish engulfing pattern here. Probably ends it. We're upper half of the channel here. Probably going to come down and probably test this area. Well, I tested this area first. If it doesn't pop up here, it's going to come down to here next. So anyway, I think things aren't looking so hot in Stockland here. So I would just be getting more and more cautious, because this whole move was just basically, this is a weekly. This whole move here was basically contrived, and now we're going to see how it survives. And let's take a look on the daily again to finish it up, and there's the daily on it. So we're sitting here at 311.8, right? 30. This is S&P. DS is just $1 difference. So anyway, you guys have a good night. I'll be talking more stuff tomorrow, but I'm just in the day trading mode now in terms of the futures, and just trying to grab my pennies here. Basically long miners, a few other little things here and there, but that's probably the last that's going to move up. It's going to be the gold and silver miners. Everything else is going to start sucking wind here. So anyway, see you later. Bye.